We're here at our friend's Patrick's shop in a 300 or 400-year-old barn. Pretty much every year I fix my cars here. This year, gonna do the motor mounts on the VR6. It's super pretty and incredible. The vines outside are off the charts cool. So a great place to break down. Maybe I can get away with this.
Trying to mask the exhaust smell from the car. I have a search tank with 2 pumps and it smells pretty bad. Just a quick fix. I'd say roughly maybe 20 bucks.
20 bucks for this?
Roughly.
Yeah. Oh, fuck, I get this at 99-cent store.
Yeah. Well, we're not in America.
We're not in Kansas anymore.
Alright. I think we're good.
Oh, you're not gonna put any of them in?
No, not. We'll tape it more when we get to the house.
And this is the hotel blanket.
Yes.
Which Russell's gonna use later on to cuddle.
I'll replace that mount, that piece there, with the hockey puck.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And then a big bolt, which won't shear. That's the only thing I worry about there. But right now, my issue is getting this to line up to where it's meant to be.
Which is roughly
Right about there.
a little bit higher.
But you can see
Right there.
there's actually an issue with the curvature of the transmission that I didn't notice before. Just drill
Goes
that.
right through. Cut it like
Yeah.
up here.
Yep.
Run, make the 2 holes.
Yep, that's
Shave
exactly
it.
what I'll do. Yep, I'll do that and I'll leave it here and then I can have a nice like
Perfect.
angle
Yep.
like that back to there. So basically that's the height there for that bolt. So I
Yeah.
just need the next one spaced there. Hopefully that'll clear. Looks like it will adjust. And actually that bolt's even a little there. So yeah, perfect. So that's what we need. Okay, I made this one little bracket and I went looking for some metal that I was gonna weld and build a whole little structure. And then we found this great big piece of 4-inch square tubing. And you might be able to make it out. This is my new bracket. It's a little thicker. It's gonna be one piece with almost no welds. Just gotta start from scratch. Here we go. Just a little trimming. That's all it needs. I don't know. Alright, so that one goes on there.
That is actually perfect.
Yeah.
Apart from it looks like complete crap and whatever else, but yeah,
Put
totally.
some stickers on and that's it. Engineered in a fucking 300-year-old barn in half an hour.
Basically whittled out of found metal and love and luck. The problem is they are slightly offset. For the welder, please. Only in Austria, when you need to dunk some hot metal, you come to a carved natural spring thing. I didn't quite make a solid mounted engine, but pretty close. It doesn't move anymore.
Just a takes off.
It's missing a little bit. It doesn't want to idle very well. Trying to figure out. look that bad though. I don't know.
Yep.
One disc brake.
Oh yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, ready?
Now the hockey punk is an engine mount. Joe, I gotta feel like this is gonna be stronger than
Oh yeah.
that. I've had a crazy vibration at a couple different shops check it out. Never went away, so now I took the wheels off myself and checked them, and we're off 15 grams. So, yeah.
Adjusting the coil.
Yeah.
Oh, just in the corner, we're raising them up a little bit.
No.
Lowering them? Oh,
Lowering them.
nice.
Yeah.
Beauty.
1552, bro.
You need this?
Yes.
Oh, it's on airbags. I give you guys a quarter.